Okay, we are a first meeting, so please let you give me your introduction.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ram. I am from Uttar Pradesh in Ayodhya district and I am doing post graduation. I am 29 years old. Yeah, this
Okay,
is an introduction.
okay. Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, I just create before 2 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah. And are
Okay.
you YouTuber?
Yes, I am YouTuber also. Yes.
Yeah. First tell me something about yourself. After that, I will make conversation with you.
Yes, exactly. Thank you for giving the opportunity for this. And actually, first of all, my name is Rajni, and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am small YouTuber because I run the YouTube channel, and as well, I am housewife. As far as I am concerned about my study, I have completed MCOM. So that's it about me.
Okay. You have completed your M.Com.
Yes, MCOM I have completed.
Okay. Currently, are you doing job?
No, actually, right now I am totally free at my home. I don't have any work.
Okay.
I didn't join any job, but
Yeah.
firstly, because I am working on my speaking English, and then I will think about any job.
Okay. But you are a housewife, I think, right?
Yes, this is a very big job than others. Yes,
Yeah. You have a lot of responsibility from your home, right?
yes, exactly.
Now, when did you start your journey? When did you create
Yes,
your YouTube?
yes. Actually, I have creating a YouTube channel for 1 year ago. So
Okay.
that times I suggest only how to improve our communication skill, and after that I started journey.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you do every day more and more people. You are
Yes,
interacted more with people every day.
yes, I want, I talk with the different people.
Okay. But I think your English is better and you are speaking very well.
Yes, I know my English is good, but sometimes I get stuck. I'm not that good. I am trying. I am also learner.
In your area, anyone is speaking English with you?
No, because I don't have any environment, even person with whom I can speak English.
Yeah. Are you from rural area, village area?
Yes,
Uh,
I'm from village area.
okay, you
Yes.
are from village. So in village only speaking Hindi, I think.
No, because nobody speaks in Hindi, only our native language as a Punjabi touch. Dogri
Okay.
language. Do you know Dogri language?
Yeah, I know about it. And I
Yes,
know
I
also
speak
Punjabi.
Dogri language. Yes.
Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, I think, are you from border area? Himachal and Punjab? Yes.
Yes, yes. Last part of Himachal where I live.
Yes, can you repeat it? What did you say?
Last part of Himachal where I live. Actually, I live nearby Pathankot.
Okay. Near about Pathankot, right?
Yes. Do you know Pathankot?
Yeah, I understand. I visited there.
Okay. Yes, I nearby Pathankot.
Yeah. And how many time do you spend every day with your English language?
Actually, when I get the free, so that times I talk with other peoples. And because recently I have started this journey, then I make the video with myself, and then I speak with myself. I created any fake story, and then I have practiced with myself. These times I am working on this application.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
that's good. And I think you have also YouTube channel.
yes, I have a
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
May I know what is your YouTube channel name?
Okay, actually my YouTube channel is English with Rajni Devi.
English with Rajni Baby.
Devi, yes.
Yeah. Okay, I will saw after video. Yeah,
Okay,
and do you have any questions for me?
yeah, please.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, exactly. Why are you learning English? What purpose do you have behind? Because I think behind it because you are learning English.
Yeah, first I want to improve my English language, so I am learning English, and also I want to become a teacher.
Okay,
English literature. Yeah, I'm doing MA with English literature, so I'm learning
okay,
English because that time required for me.
okay. Yes, exact. So okay. So how did because how are you learning English apart from this?
I am fine when I am reading and writing and speaking.
Okay.
Just 1 month or 2 months ago, I started. That time I cannot speak any sentences. But daily I am giving 1 hours, 2 hours every day. Right now I am speaking. I think something.
Yes, actually, speaking part is very important for learning English.
Yeah, speaking part is very important. Right.
Yes, yes. Actually, when I started learning English, so that times only I learned, grammar concept. But
Yeah.
when it comes to speak English, so that times I couldn't speak English even single word. So
Yeah.
then I realized I should have the practice more in speaking. So then I started uploading one application, and then I start using that application. So that's how the way I started speaking.
Okay. But
As I mentioned you recently, because I don't have any work at my
yeah.
only I am free.
Okay. Only you are free. Only you are housewife, not any work.
No, actually I am learning English, that's it. And as well I am doing the work on YouTube.
Yeah. So you did start your journey 1 years ago.
Yes, because YouTube, I think, yes, 1 year ago, I started creating YouTube channel as well. I started learning journey.
Okay. And you are learning English with your home.
Yes,
Yeah. Your native land in Himachal Pradesh.
yes, my native place is in Himachal Pradesh, but I got married in Jammu.
Okay, ma'am. So tell me something about of Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, actually, there are so many places to visit, as a Dharamshala, Kullu, Manali, Shimla. You can visit to any places, and there are so many lakes and mountains and rivers. I think it's called a beauty
Yeah. It's called a
to
beauty.
Himachal Pradesh. Yes,
Yeah. It is a very beautiful area.
yes,
I also visited Pathankot, but I cannot visit Simla. I cannot
okay.
visit any other places, but I visited Pathankot.
I think Shimla is so far from Pathankot.
Yeah, I think 200 or 300 kilometers away from Simla to Pathankot, right?
It's I'm right. Yes, I think, but I haven't go to Shimla yet. I haven't
Okay.
been to Shimla yet.
Yeah. How many state are you visited?
Actually, I visit only Jammu and Himachal. That's it. Actually, I don't have because I don't have any work because of my husband is a government employee, so that's why my husband doesn't have more much time. So then I didn't
Okay.
go to anywhere.
Yeah, I'm understand. So are you visited Jammu?
Yes,
Okay.
actually, I think I got married in Jammu.
You got married in Jammu?
Yes,
Yeah. Right now, Jammu every time dispute with Pakistan in Jammu area and
exactly.
area.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But this time it's safe. Okay. So where are
Uh,
you from?
I am from Uttar Pradesh in Ayodhya district.
Okay, I don't know. Please tell me your
You
proper
heard, you
state.
heard
Yes?
about you heard about it, Lord Rama?
No.
Lord Ram, you did not heard about it.
No, actually I don't know.
Okay, don't know. Okay, Ayodhya.
Yes,
Do you celebrate Deepavali?
yes, Ayodhya. I know Ayodhya.
Yeah. So did you celebrate Deepavali or not?
Yes, of course. I am Hindu. Yes.
How I don't know how to know you about of Lord Ram.
Actually,
Yeah.
I know Ayodhya.
Okay, you know Ayodhya. Okay. But
Yes.
and how many festival do you celebrated? Holi, Deepavali, that's like festival.
Yes, every festival I celebrate
Okay, every
because I am
festival
Hindu. Yes, I am Hindu.
Hindu also.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
yeah,
So,
ma'am.
do you have any about
Yeah,
me?
yeah. I have one question. Do you practice every day?
Yes, of course, I am having the practice every day.
Okay.
Yes, I think
Okay.
practice is very important. Without practice, you can't speak English.
Yeah, without practice we can't speak English. Yeah, right, ma'am.
Actually, when I stopped one day because I don't have the practice within, one day and two a day. So that times I think I will forget everything.
Okay.
How
But
to
you
speak English? Yes.
do
So then
do
I think it's a compulsory to have the practice for me.
okay. Did you practice every day?
Yes, yes, I have practice every day.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
yes, please.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. You wanna ask something?
Yes, I think I don't have more much question about you. So do you have any questions? So you can ask me.
Okay. When you are talking any sentences, that time how to make sentences, how to making sentences? Can you tell me?
How to actually, yes, when I started, learning this journey, so that times I used to think in Hindi and then I used to translate.
Okay.
So that times I, used to translate English to Hindi. So after that, I used to speak, but this times I am trying to speak directly.
Okay. Okay.
Do you know grammar?
Yes, I know grammar, but a little
Yes.
bit.
Okay, but I think you should learn tense and passive.
Tense and
Tense
passive.
and
Okay.
passive. Yes, this is a very important part for speaking, and then you can start speaking because you are having the practice regularly. So I think this is
Yeah.
a good thing. And as well, you should learn grammar. Some part of grammar. I think tense and passive.
Okay. Tense and yeah. I will try. I will read
Otherwise, yes. Otherwise, you can watch. I think English structures. English
English.
structures English
Okay.
structures because there are so many video on YouTube. English structures, how to say in English. Oh, because all the type structures on YouTube.
Okay. Okay. I will check.
How to translate, how to explain in English.
Okay.
English structures.
Okay. Okay.
Do you know English structures?
I know. I know English structure. Dare to, ought to. That's like this is
Yes.
English structure.
Some guys, some people try to learn English through English structures.
Yes, yes. Lot of people is speaking English structure with English structure.
Actually, because I also use this thing.
Yeah, and you have any PDF? You have any notes for from English structure?
No, actually, I don't have any notes. Some I send you some video record related to English structures.
Okay, okay. I will watch. But whatever you have time, then you can send me.
Okay, actually, that structures are very helpful for improving English.
Yeah, absolutely right, ma'am.
I
It is
think
a very important
some
for
guys
you.
learns grammar. If you
Yeah,
know very well grammar, so that time you can't learn that structures.
yeah,
But if you have, I think I have, I have this problem because English, I think grammar is very boring
yeah,
concept for me. When I start learning grammar, so that times I get bored easily.
yeah. But ma'am, I have one question. When I am speaking Hindi, that time I am not learning any grammar, but
Okay.
I am speaking this language. So how to required for English grammar?
Okay. So, that's what I am saying. You should learn English structure,
Okay, okay,
English structures. Okay. And then you can use in your conversation.
okay, okay.
And you should
Yeah,
have the more much practice, and definitely you will be perfect.
okay, okay. Thank you for giving me this idea.
Yes,
Okay.
I think I have a two way to learn English. First way, grammar. You should learn grammar. And another thing, if you don't want to learn grammar, you should learn English structures, and then you can use in your conversation.
Okay, okay. It is necessary for English speaking, right?
Yes, actually, this is our second language.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
a not native language.
yeah. You
So
can use English structure spontaneously. You can speak fluently, right?
Yes, because you should learn all the times English structures. I think 2 and 3 structures, English structure you should learn,
Okay, okay,
and then you can apply in your conversation.
okay. I will apply also.
Yes,
I
because these times I am working on this thing because sometimes I get stuck and because of lack of English structures and English vocabulary. So
yeah.
then I am trying to do.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Next time, tell me any topic. After that, I will make conversation with you. Do you have any topic? Then after you tell me. Okay.
Okay, actually, this time's time is over.
Yeah, yeah. I think I have some work,
And then
and also you have.
next times we will meet. So then
Yeah,
I will have practice with the one topic.
yeah. Give me any topic, then I will practice with you.
Actually, I have an idea. Can you have the practice with a rapid fire and role play?
Okay, no problem.
Rapid fire. Do you know Chandan Singh?
I heard about it.
Yes, Chandan Singh is very good tutor, and you should also have the rapid fire.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. I heard about it, but I don't more about it.
Okay, okay. So I will because next times we will meet. So that times if you have any topic, so that time you will tell me.
Okay,
And after that, otherwise we will have rapid fire.
okay, okay. No problem. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, ma'am.
So okay,
Yeah,
okay.
nice.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you. And
Yeah,
yes.
also nice conversation with you, and I am very happy we talk to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Same here. Same
Thank you.
here. Do you watch my? Have you watched my video?
Yes, no, no, I didn't watch your video. You tell me what is your YouTube channel. Then you told me after some time ago. I will
Okay.
watch. Yeah.
Okay. How
But
did you get my ID?
I am searching from one YouTuber. Is told me that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, one YouTuber is told me that, ma'am, you want to talk to him. You want to talk to her. This is
Okay.
the email ID. You can send message. You can talk also.
Okay. Who's one?
Right now, I'm forgetting what his name because uh, tomorrow I am talking.
Okay. No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.